So guys, please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about you.
My name is Richard. I'm from the Department of Diagnostic Radiology from Hong Kong Youth, and I'm working here as an intern, AI Lab.
I'm Veliko. I just graduated from City University of Hong Kong, Department of Mathematics.
I think you haven't graduated yet.
Yes, I'm waiting for my final grades.
Which you may fail.
So how do you learn about HA AI Lab Internship program?
Originally, I was doing some projects with the HA. Then the manager asked me, do I want to work here? And I'm like, okay, why not?
Stratos told me about the program. I applied, and actually my first starting date was June 1st of 2020.
What are your major duties here as an intern?
The first thing I came here, we started looking online for some data that we can have, and one of them is like a brain hemorrhage model. So what we want to do there is to see whether we can develop a imaging base using CT image to detect brain hemorrhage in patients. Other things, chest x-ray as you say. I was asked to see whether we can improve this model and provided a new solution to the model.
I initially started by helping Richard with the CT brain project. After that, I jumped into a more structured data kind project, which was regarding COVID-19. So basically, Richard and me were working on different kind of simulations to see how many patients might deteriorate in which hospital.
Any chance to bring what you have learned in uni into practice here? Or actually you've learned more here than in uni?
Uni is everything about theoretical stuff, especially for myself doing mathematics. However, when I first came here, I just realized that in practice, you basically know nothing. Although you know the theoretical, you must learn how to implement them in real life practice, and that's what I had the opportunity to do here.
There is a lot of people with different skills in our lab. Something like, because I focus mainly on imaging, but there's a lot of electronic records, clinical notes, natural language processing, these kind of skills, which I'm actually picking up. It's something that out of my own field of specialties, but I get to learn them, expose into them, and start develop my own models based on those technologies. I guess the most important thing is getting the feedback from the clinician. I mean, recently I was told that they did a kind of like a survey with all the doctors, and a lot of them find it very useful.
I thought it would be much more like chilled internship. However, when I joined, I immediately jumped into projects with Richard mainly. Everyone had to do a lot of work on the projects, multiple projects. I got immediately to work on the CT brain, on COVID, and I just...
Actually, that's a good thing for an internship, right? Because if you join some other internship, probably you have to wait 2-3 months to get some serious project to keep going on.